organised chaos. So we're in Surat Thani. Train station's there. We had to come down the street. There was people yelling at us at the train station exit saying, "Where you going?" And a lady held up a sign that showed us our Sea-Trans logo. Then she told us to go to the red chairs. So down the street we come, and these are all of the different places that do the ferries to Koh Samui. So there's all our red chairs there. And then Aaron is over here waiting for a coffee and scrambled eggs. And we've got about an hour and 3/4 to wait, maybe.
Made it from the train to the bus and now onto the ferry on our way to Koh Samui. Guessing that's Koh Samui over there. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, that wasn't Koh Samui Island before, because there's nothing out there now. And we're going quite slowly, very calm. It's not a fast ferry, a slow ferry. Like that one over there. Can't even see an island. Further than I thought. You can see the mainland back there. That's Koh Samui. Getting close to arriving now.
So this is our accommodation in Koh Samui. It's called the White Cottage. This is the little pool. Tiny but wet. And then all of the units are around the outside, which is really cool. This is our one here. Drying rack. Lovely sitting area. And they put the trees there so people can't see in too well. Beautiful.
Here's the beachfront, Koh Samui. We just had to walk down through the Karma resort, just right in front of our resort. We've got all these things here, a whole heap of people around the pool. Packed. Very busy. And the sand is like Kaiteri sand almost. Gritty.
This is Fisherman's Village night market where we had our dinner. The music keeps cutting out. There's a whole lot of stalls and things around the outside of it. The food stalls, throw that in a minute. And this way. street out there. Oh, and that's what we had. Yum. Look at the ribs, braided like those. Crispy pork. And lasagna. Ooh, more seafood. Oh. More pork. We have a bug, Aaron. I'm not having any more of these. I've already had mine. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Gross. No thanks. And this down the other end with all the market stuff. Cheese. Wow. Cool. Another one, Armani suits. I just see your father in that yellow one. Not.
This is more like it. This is Fisherman's Village at 9 AM rather than 8 PM when it's chaos.
You're bloody
I don't like people.
I know.
I like it quiet. I can walk along without banging into 1,000 other people. Like this. Lovely. Just arrived at the Big Buddha on Koh Samui Island. One of the local tourist attractions. Just stopped on the side of the road. There's a lookout point looking back towards some of the beaches. Oh, you can see the... Is that the Big Buddha? No. It's a different one. Very hard to find your way around here. You get to something that you want to look at and there's no parking, or it takes you up some silly side street. But we found this one alright. Also fun. You guys fishing. This is Silver Beach, mainly taken up by Silver Beach Resort, which you come through to get to the beach. There's their pull up in there. It's like a nice swimming beach. So we're at Lamai Beach now, another township and a beach obviously. Almost drove down here past these scooters, that would have been fun, then we would have had to back all the way out. But man at a resort there let us park at the resort, just as long as we're only a few minutes to go have a look at the beach. Oh, this is a big beach. This is kind of the Lamai village area, just back from the beach. Smaller street, there's some bigger streets behind here. This is Chawong Beach. Stop there to have a swim, maybe a drink. Got a friend joined us for our morning walk this morning. Walked along the road towards Mainam Beach and down a little rough track to the beach. Not so many resorts just here. I think there's a big resort along here, on that butt there, further down. And our friend is still here. He's come all the way to the beach. You going to go back now? Here's where we've been having dinner the last few nights, and breakfast some of the time. Restaurants in there that we sit in. Just got a few more fans and things, so we sit in there, but there are seats just out the back there too. Really nice food. And our hotel is just down this drive here. We have this little short walk and we're back at our hotel. It's our last morning in Koh Samui. So we're including the walk back along the beach in our morning walk this morning, and then we'll go for a swim in the sea before we go back up to the cottage. Another sunny day. This is the end of the walk, the Karma Resort. more ripple on the sea today. It's a little bit of a breeze. I wouldn't say it's keeping things cool, but it's better than no breeze. Right, time for a swim. A little bit deeper here than other places we've been. It's quite nice. Water here is not super clear. It is nice, yeah.